We will be making a salad with black-eyed peas today. I am using half a kilogram of fresh black-eyed peas for this recipe. I boiled them for 3 minutes before transferring them to a salad bowl. I am adding a very finely chopped onion, some salt, 3 grated cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 lemon's juice to it. I am now mixing everything so that they blend nicely together. Fresh black-eyed peas are not available everywhere, but in the regions of Turkey where you can easily find them, you will see they are popular in salads or in cooked tomato dishes. Here we have a simple but delicious salad. Please do not forget to like and share our videos. Enjoy!